Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated upcoming cameras from Nikon, the Nikon Z8 II. If you are planning to buy a professional hybrid camera in 2025 or 2026, then this video is very important for you, because today we will cover all the new leaks, expected specs, rumored release window, and everything we currently know about the Nikon Z8 II. So watch this video till the end before making any buying decision. What is Nikon Z8 II? The Nikon Z8 II is expected to be the upgraded version of the Nikon Z8, a camera known for incredible photo quality, amazing video features, and strong autofocus. The Z8 already became a favorite for professionals. That is why expectations for the Z8 II are very high. Leaks suggest Nikon is planning major improvements this time. Performance upgrades. According to leaks, the Nikon Z8 II might come with a next-generation image processor. This means faster performance, smoother handling, better dynamic range, and improved low-light results. You can expect sharper images, cleaner high-ISO noise, and quicker RAW processing. The new processor may also help with better heat control during long video shoots. Autofocus improvements. One of the biggest upgrades is expected in autofocus. Leaks say the Z8 II will have improved subject tracking, more accurate eye detection, and faster lock-on performance. This will help photographers shooting wildlife, sports, portraits, and videos. Hybrid shooters will see a big difference compared to the current Z8. Video improvements. Now let's talk about video. Many leaks suggest that Nikon will upgrade the internal codecs, bit rates, and video recording modes. We may see even better 8000 and 4K video performance, improved rolling shutter control, better colors, stronger stabilization, and more reliable long recordings without overheating. Nikon wants this camera to compete with Sony A1, Canon R5 Mark II, and Panasonic's high-end models. Design and handling. The design may stay similar to the Z8, lightweight, strong magnesium body, and a powerful mirrorless layout. But leaks suggest small improvements like better button placement, improved cooling vents, more stable grip, and slightly better battery life. These small updates can make a big difference during real shooting. Expected release date. As of now, Nikon has not officially confirmed the Z8 II, but according to industry leaks, the Nikon Z8 II is expected to release in late 2025 or early 2026. This timeline matches Nikon's usual upgrade pattern. But remember, nothing is officially confirmed yet. Should you wait or buy Nikon Z8 now? If you need a camera immediately for professional work, the current Nikon Z8 is still one of the best hybrid cameras available. It delivers excellent results right now. But if you are a videographer, filmmaker, or hybrid shooter who wants improved autofocus, better video performance, and next-level features, then waiting for the Z8 II might be the smarter choice. Things to check before buying. Before making a final decision, always check Nikon's official announcements. Only trust specs confirmed by Nikon. And once the camera launches, watch real-world reviews for autofocus tests, overheating tests, rolling shutter performance, and battery life. As of now, Nikon has not officially confirmed the Z8 II, but according to industry leaks, the Nikon Z8 II is expected to release in late 2025 or early 2026. This timeline matches Nikon's usual upgrade pattern. However, nothing is confirmed by Nikon yet. Before we end this video, let's talk about why the Nikon Z8 II is expected to be better than many other cameras in its category. First, the improved processor and upgraded autofocus system could make it faster and more accurate than many Sony, Canon. Second, the rumored video improvements such as better 8K and 4K recording, cleaner colors, and stronger stabilization may give it an edge over cameras like Sony A1 or Canon R5 Mark II. Third, Nikon's color science, dynamic range, and low light performance are already praised in the Z8. And with these upgrades, the Z8 II may deliver even better results. Overall, the Z8 II is shaping up to become one of the strongest hybrid cameras in the market if the leaks turn out to be true. So this is everything we know so far about the upcoming Nikon Z8 II. A faster processor, improved autofocus, better video performance, and design upgrades make it one of the most exciting cameras expected in the next year. But remember, until Nikon officially confirms it, treat all leak details as rumors. For more updates, reviews, and camera breakdowns, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.